Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel where we share different information on how to get money online, on how to earn real cash online. So many of you are searching the internet trying to find ways of getting money online. So in today's video, we are going to look at one of the ways on how you can earn money online. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can be the first to get notified whenever I upload videos such as this one about making money. Remember, this channel is all about making money online. So let's get into today's video. So we are going to look at one of the apps, which is Toloka app. Yes, just go to the Play Store, your Google Play Store, search Toloka. As you can see, I'm already there. Toloka Earn Online. So just go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search Toloka. As you can see, already I have the app installed. So let's just open. So guys, when you open the app, as you can see my interface here, I'm already at the earning site, earning interface. So when you come here, check the available, the reserved, the done. So for example, this app is all about making money through taking different tasks, through doing different tasks. Okay, so like for example, one of the task is like print given pictures and shoot it on a video. Okay, so this is about printing. There are tasks about photos, taking photos. There are tasks about doing some surveys and different tasks, and each of these tasks have different payouts. Okay, have different payouts, as you can see now. Like this one needs training. Is the image good? So this one needs training. You first undergo training, then you get badges. Okay, when you check here, my money, you can see when you earn, your money is calculated and you can withdraw. To Pepara or Pioneer. But before we go to that, let's check how we can earn that money so that we can be able to withdraw. Okay, how we can earn that money so that we can be able to withdraw. So you go to available, whereby you get the tasks available to perform. Then you click one of the tasks in accordance to the price. Okay, you select the price which is good for you, then you click that task if you think it's good for you and you can take it. Now for example, this one is saying photo of a horse on the road. You need to take 4 photos of the horse on the road. So if you're in position, in place where you can access the horse, just click that task and read the instructions carefully. Okay, so you read the instructions and you click on start. If you think you're good to go, then you click on start the task. Okay, when you start the task, it will take you to another page whereby it will start even counting. So welcome. In this project, we need photographs of horses on sidewalks, roads, parks. Okay, so you just have to move around, look for horses, take photos and submit, then you get paid. Okay, after submitting, you will get a code which you will need to put in and get paid for that task which is completed. As you can see, that task, because I've not done it, so it is under reserved. So you click on the reserved, whereby you will see all the tasks that you were about, you started but never completed. So you can check in the reserved and complete them at a later time. Okay, so as you can see, this reserved task expires in 2 hours and 59 minutes. That's around 3 hours. Okay, so within 3 hours this task will expire. So I've been doing some different tasks. For example, if I click on the done, so sorry for that. If I click on, as you can see, I've completed some tasks like data entry, where I was able to earn $0.25, and there's a task actually which expired. So detect promised content. So this task expired and it was a training task, so it expired simply because I didn't complete it in time. Okay, it went into reserved and I didn't complete it in time. So there are many tasks which are completed, as you can see. Accepted, 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 expired, expired, accepted. And by the way, other tasks, you can do other tasks and they get denied. Okay, note that. Now for example, this one, research relevance stage 4 with daily bonuses. So this one was rejected. Reason, low accuracy in the exam. Okay, so you can get some tasks right and others can be denied simply because you didn't get you didn't pass the test. You didn't score the needed score rate. Okay, so let's check in the skills. Remember, each task you complete you get a skill. Okay, so for example, my skills in the languages English and some other local language. Then the skills I have is data entry. Okay, I'm on 100% data entry, so I'm a specialist in data entry. You can also be a specialist in some other area. Okay, so if we look at the achievements, as you can see, learners are winners. So I got that achievement, then joined the crowd. I got the achievement when you join. Then and other achievements, as you can see, the badges. Okay, so when you join, nice to meet you, so I got that badge. Okay, so these ones help you to achieve different tasks and get better paying tasks. Okay, so guys, after earning enough money from the site, you can withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw the money. So let's see, get to my money here. As you can see, earnings. So this is the different earnings I've got from the task, from the tasks I completed. So let's see how you can withdraw this money. So far, as you can see, I have $1.2. So I haven't earned enough so far for withdraw. Okay, but let me show you how you can withdraw actually from this app, from this earning app. Okay, so for example, you can use like Payoneer. So click link account. So they're asking, do you have a Payoneer account? You must register with Payoneer first. If you already have a Payoneer account, link it now. Okay, so if you don't have a Payoneer account, just click on register with Payoneer, and if you have it, click on link my Payoneer account. So if you click on link, it will bring another page. Okay, so confirm your phone number. You have to confirm your phone number. Okay, after confirming your phone number, okay, let's confirm it. The message is here. Okay, let's confirm it. Submit. Okay, so it will link the Payoneer account. Okay, welcome. As you can see, so it is linking my Payoneer account. So I'm going to leave this page at the moment and go back to the app. So that's how you link your Payoneer account so that you get paid. Okay, so that you get paid. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. This is how you earn using the Toloka app. Okay, this is how you can make money. You can actually make some good amount of money using this app if you're serious. Okay, if you're serious, you can make some good amount of money. You can earn side income from this app. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always be on the top priorities, so that you can always be the first to get notified whenever I post earning videos like this one. And again, my name is Logic, and thank you for watching. See you then. Goodbye.